Hey guys, Nash here. So every time I make a video on Android Pie, I get plenty of comments from Samsung users that why can't they install Android Pie on their phone. Well, don't worry Samsung users, in this video I will show you a very easy way to get Android Pie on your phone without a root. So let's get started. So when it comes to Android Pie, forget about the older phone, the latest flagship Samsung Note 9 still has Android Oreo, and it will take months for them to get Android Pie on that. Now you can install Android Pie custom ROM on Samsung phones, but installing a custom ROM is not that easy, not everyone can do that. Also you will lose all the Samsung features like secure folder, Samsung Knox services, and plus there are no Android Pie custom ROMs available for latest phones like Note 9 or even Note 8. So don't worry, here I will show you how to get Android Pie on all the Samsung phones. Doesn't matter if it's latest Note 9 or it's an older phone like S6. So first of all you need to download this zip file. Link for that will be in the description box below. So download the zip file, extract the zip file and then install this APK file just like you install any other app. And now you need to go to Samsung themes. Select this DNA Android Pie theme and apply, and that's it. Now you have complete Android Pie looking theme on your phone, and nobody would be able to guess this is not Android Pie unless you tell them yourself. So any Samsung phone that has theme store can install this Android Pie on their phone. And if you want to get those Android Pie gestures on your phone, then you can watch this video in I button. And if you don't have a Samsung phone and you still want to install this theme, again I will drop that video in I button. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like this video if you appreciate my work. This is your friend Nan signing out, and I will see you tomorrow.